In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord update failed loop in Windows 10 and 11. If you've been stuck on that annoying update failed message every time you try to open Discord, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clear set of actions you can take to get Discord working again on your Windows computer. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. Don't just click the X on the window. Right-click your taskbar, open Task Manager, and look for any Discord processes that might still be running. If you see Discord there, right-click each entry and select End Task. This ensures that Discord isn't using any files while we work on the fix. Next, we're going to remove the corrupted update files that usually cause this loop. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type in %appdata%. All one word with the % signs on both sides, then press Enter. This opens your roaming app data folder. Look for the Discord folder. Once you find it, right-click it and delete it. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your servers. It just removes local files that Discord can recreate later. Now, go back to the Run dialog by pressing Windows + R again, and this time type %. Local app data %. Press Enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder again and delete it as well. These two folders store cached and update-related files, and clearing them out often fixes the update loop. After that, it's a good idea to restart your computer. A quick restart helps Windows release any files that might still be in use and gives you a clean slate for the next step. Once your computer is back on, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the latest version of the Discord installer directly from there. Avoid using old installers you might have saved before because they can sometimes trigger the same update issue. When the download finishes, run the installer as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the installer file and selecting Run as administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to update or recreate all necessary files properly. Let the installation complete. Then open Discord as you normally would. In most cases, it should launch without getting stuck in the update failed loop, and you'll be back to chatting and joining your servers like normal.